How to transfer GCredit to GCash wallet. Now, before you go ahead and do this method, you have to ensure first that you're currently running the latest version of GCash application to avoid any interruptions or issues. And just simply head over directly to your Google Play Store and then just look for the GCash application and make sure that you're currently running the updated version. Now, once everything is set up, just head over directly to your GCash app and use your 4-digit passkey for you to be able to log in. As you can see, you should be able to see four options at the top. This is actually the latest update in which you should be able to see wallet, save, borrow, and grow. Now, GCredit may not be available for everyone. For you to be able to unlock this specific feature on GCash, you just have to use this specific platform most of the time. Now you can activate it by using as a source of payment by using on any grocery stores, paying your bills using your GCash account. Now, once GCredit is already available, there is gonna be a visible specific amount of fund in which you are eligible to have on GCredit. Now, once you should be able to see that, there is an option for you to transfer that specific fund directly over to your wallet. And that's it. That's basically it. That's how you transfer your GCredit to your GCash wallet.